Hello, I'm Farrell. In this session, I'll be discussing the 25D order management upgrade, AI Agent Data Access Advisor for sales orders. This feature requires you to manually configure it, and I'll walk you through the process in the upcoming demonstration. The AI Agent Data Access Advisor for sales orders is a significant step forward in automating and reinforcing sales order data security. By leveraging artificial intelligence, the feature proactively reviews access and recommends policies, substantially reducing the risk of unauthorized access. This is increasingly relevant as organizations need to comply with global data privacy requirements. Additionally, automating these reviews not only saves time but increases confidence in your access control environment. The Fulfillment Orchestration to Invoice (OMBP), which this feature falls under, is a streamlined approach to managing and fulfilling customer orders from creation through payment settlement. This best practice strategy focuses on providing a seamless and efficient order fulfillment process to meet the demands of today's multifaceted sales environment. The introduction of AI Agent Data Access Advisor for sales orders greatly improves the orchestrate fulfillment step by not only ensuring that your data access policies are enforced, but by also improving productivity and reducing administrative cost. This feature delivers a high impact, especially for those responsible for maintaining secure access within their order management business area. The main roles involved are security administrators and order management administrators, as both groups benefit from automated recommendations regarding who should or who shouldn't access sales order data. The feature touches core order management objects and directly supports the company's compliance efforts. A new out-of-the-box report shows recommended access changes, making review and implementing suggestions simple and transparent. Let's launch the application and watch this agent in action. First, we'll copy the pre-built template to create our own agent team. Then, we'll use this agent team to respond to user inquiries about general access policies, as well as identifying access violations or potential risk. Let's get started. To begin, we'll access Tools, then the AI Agent Studio. The AI Agent Studio workspace is where you'll create and manage your agents. Oracle Cloud provides you with multiple templates that can be used to create your own agents. Using the searching functions, you can filter through the available templates by family or by product, or you can simply search by keywords. Here, we'll look for the template that we want to create for Data Access Advisor on sales orders. I'll type in some keywords, then hit search. The system returns the template. We'll begin by copying this and giving it a unique name. We'll add our suffix, then click Continue. The template automatically copies over the tools that are embedded in the agent. The tools in this agent contain 7 different objects that represent the different tasks that are performed by the agent. Let's take a look at a few of these. The Get User Session tool fetches the person number ID of the person who's logged into the session. The Get Data Access Details is responsible for getting details about the access for the actual sales order. It returns data for things such as the groups, the participants, and any access rules or eligibility conditions that are built in. The Get Roles for User tool retrieves the applicable roles that are assigned to a specific user. Contain various tools for executing tasks. Next, we'll save our cloned template so that it's a draft, and we'll close. Next, we'll navigate to the agent teams, and we'll query the copy template that we just created. Again, I'll type in some keywords. We'll search, and I'll locate the record that we created, and now we'll run a test by going into the Edit actions. The workspace contains a debugging function, which lets us simulate our agent as well as analyze and do troubleshooting. We'll begin. The agent window is invoked. This agent includes predefined queries such as Show My Access Summary, Data Access Policies, or check for any access risk or misconfigurations. You can also type your question directly into the agent to return results. Here, we'll click on Show My Access Summary. Immediately, the agent is initiated. The agent shows the parameters for input and output purposes for analysis. If we scroll down, it also shows the context and the tools that were used as part of the call. Examine the code. And then below, we actually see the results as would be returned to the end user. For the user that we're currently logged in as, the agent created privileges that we have for order management, and lists those individual components. The agent also shows recommendations